Hello again and welcome back for another tutorial and welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Ysay and here in my channel, I upload travel vlogs every Tuesdays and makeup tutorials and makeup hauls or make anything about makeup every Thursday. So if you like my content, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell to keep you updated on my latest video. So guys, for today's vlog or for today's makeup tutorial, I created this look for holiday season, especially Christmas is coming. So this is a very wearable look. So slay the holidays look. So yeah, if you want to see how I create this, keep on watching. And yes guys, don't forget before we start our eyeshadow, we have to prime our eyelids. So I'm using my fluffy brush and my MAC paint pots in painterly shade, and I'm just using my fingers, actually my ring fingers, to dab the product all over my eyelids, and I'm using this brush to spread and blend it to help me with my eyeshadow to last longer, and it helps me also with the eyeshadow pigmentation to show off very nicely. And yes, so the next step that we're gonna do after I blend, I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette in volume 2. So now using this shader brush, my fluffy shader brush, I'm dipping it all over the shadow empowered, and I'm applying it all over my crease. So I'm just giving you a wiping motion, just blend. Blending is a very key to create a very nice and smooth eyeshadow look. I really enjoyed using the Jaclyn Hill palette in volume 2. It has really lots of nice colors, and I have been reaching it for quite some time right now from every tutorials that I have. So yeah, I'm really loving all the shadows and the shades. They are very pigmented and very blendable and very high quality and affordable price. And now I'm taking a smaller pencil brush and I'm dipping the shadow on Oh Hello Shadow and Crazy, both of them, and then I'm dipping it gently to my outer V and just blending it with this small pencil brush that I have. So blend the colors together with the first shadow, the empowered one, and I'm blending all the colors together. So guys, in this look, I am also trying to do a halo look, a holiday halo look also. So I'm putting the shadow also on my inner eyelids and just dabbing it gently and creating a smoky look. And yes, just trust the process, guys. It's kind of messy right now. But yeah, we have to just keep blending, just trust the process, it will all go together. So I'm just getting this large fluffy brush and blending it well and just taking all the rough edges. And I'm taking this flat shader brush again using my e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer, and I'm placing it all over my eyelids and to create a halo look for this tutorial. So slowly applying it using my small shader brush. And now I am searching for like a purple kind of look, a light purple look. So I found it on the Urban Decay Vice palette. So I'm dipping this small shadow to the shadow Harlot and just dabbing it gently to my eyelids and trying to marry all the colors together and blending it to reduce and take away all those rough edges. So just dabbing it gently, guys. And now I'm going back to the first color from the crease, I mean from the outer V, and I'm just putting it under my eyelids to connect all the colors together to create a smoky kind of look. Now I'm taking my Real Technique small brush, flat brush, and I'm dipping it to the shadow. I'm in it from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just putting it on the inner eye, on my inner eyes. And this shade is, it's white in the palette, but when you apply it on your eyes, it has kind of dual chrome color, a pink color, so it's nice and shimmery. And now I wanna pump up the look. I'm getting the ColourPop Miss Bliss palette, and I tried to put more glitters on my eyelids. And here it is a pressed pigment one. It is called the Law of Attraction, and I tried placing it with a flat shader brush, but it doesn't stick so well, so I grabbed my e.l.f. setting spray to spray my brush and dab it again to the shadow. And yeah, it sticks a little bit, but it has quite some fallout all over my face, but yeah, it still works. So I'm just adding some glitters to glam up the look. And guys, let me finish the look with my eyeliner, mascara, and falsies, and I'll be back with the finished product or finished look. And before that, I'm just spraying all my face with my e.l.f. Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist. And yes, here is the final look. And I hope you're gonna enjoy watching my tutorial, and I hope you can, if you wanna recreate this look, it is very wearable for this Christmas season. And I hope you enjoyed, guys. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, guys, and I hope you find this helpful, and especially this coming season. Christmas is coming, holiday seasons, and lots of party and just wherever you want to go, so you can recreate this look. It is a very easy and wearable one. So the palette that I used for this look is the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette from the Morphe. So this is the palette. I've been using this at quite some time in my other videos, especially Halloween videos. I love this palette. It's very versatile, and yeah, love the colors, love the color story, and you can create lots of look using this product. And the product is very blendable and very pigmented. And the other palette that I used was from the Urban Decay Vice palette. So this is the palette. I love this also. Lots of nice glitters and purples. And this is the shade. And yeah, it's nice and Christmassy look that you can create using also this palette. And I also gonna link up here a video about this palette, a review of this palette. And for my lips, I used the Just a Nude lip from MAC. It is the Love Me lipstick. So this is the shade. This is the packaging. I love it. It's also purple, but the shade is just neutral shade. And for my falsies, I just used the Sephora Flare Looks False Lashes. It's from the Sephora collection. I grabbed this from Winners for $5.99. And yes, and for my very nice headband here, I bought it from Shane, and I really like it. Yeah. So I think this is all for my video. Happy holidays, and I hope you enjoy the Christmas season with your family and friends. And yes, please don't forget to comment down below on what you think of the video. If you want to recreate this, please let me know. I would love to hear from you guys. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell for more videos. And I'll see you guys for my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!